is strawberry season in our area, and this year we're headed over to Mason Farms to do our strawberry picking. We love picking our own fruits whenever it's in season. We do strawberry picking, blueberry picking, cherry picking. Any opportunity we can get to go out in the field and pick our own fruit is just such an adventure for us. The strawberry crop this year was very interesting because they weren't big strawberries. They were small strawberries, but oh my goodness, they were so sweet that I'm actually planning to go back to pick some more. Look at these guys.
This big one.
Oh, that's a very big one. Nice.
Oh my god.
So how would you describe our strawberry picking experience today?
Less hot than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah?
And it filled up too quick, I feel like.
Yeah, it filled up really quick.
Yeah. So how about you try to fit a couple more in there with your Tetris abilities? Your strawberry Tetris abilities. Here are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make our delicious cheesecake. To start with our crust, I will be using these graham-style gluten-free crumbs, as well as some butter, and I'll be using a pie dish for the crust itself. For the inside of the cheesecake part of the cheesecake, we'll be using 2 containers of cream cheese, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about 2 tablespoons of the almond flour. I'm out of the gluten-free flour, so I'm just substituting with this instead, and a little dash of lemon, as well as some sugar, about 3/4 cups of the sugar. I am going to be using these fresh picked strawberries. We just picked them today, and my kitchen smells so delicious. They're so sweet and just so perfect. This whipped cream topping, I have some blueberries here because I'll be making kind of like a blueberry glaze as well, and for that I'll also be using the lemon and the sugar to make those glazes. And lastly, we're going to be using a mixer to help us mix all of our ingredients together. I'm going to begin by making the crust. For this, I am using 5 tablespoons of softened butter, and then using a fork, I'm going to work in the butter with the graham cracker mix until everything is well combined. Once the graham cracker mix is done, I'm taking the pie dish and I'm greasing it with some butter. I'm doing all of the bottom and all of the side. Then I'm adding in the graham cracker mix, and with the back of a spatula, I'm simply pressing down all the edges so they're nice and even. Now for the filling, I have my son Noah helping me put this together. We are using 2 packages of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, about 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of sugar, and we experimented with 2 tablespoons of almond flour. After we had all the ingredients put together in our mixer, we mixed it until everything was smooth and well combined. Once our mix was ready, using a spatula, we placed all of the mix inside the crust. And then using the back of the spatula or a spoon, we evened it all out. finally, it was time to place our cheesecake in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. While our cheesecake baked, we got working on our fruit topping. Now for our cheesecake topping, Noah and Maymay want a strawberry and blueberry topping, so we're gonna do a berry mix. We have 2 cups of strawberries, 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of sugar. So put 2/4 cups of sugar in there. Usually you do 1/4 of a lemon. I'm gonna do a tablespoon and see what the, I kind of want them, don't you guys want this tangy?
Yeah!
Sweet ours tangy. So let's do 2 tablespoons. Let's experiment here. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's put about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And then we're just gonna mix everything up. Mix it all up. There you go. Always hold the bowl with one hand so it doesn't fly out, okay? And almost use the spoon to scoop up like that. No, we're not gonna mash it. I don't want them to mash. Yeah, like that. You get the guys on the bottom and the top. There you go. Now that we have it all mixed, it's time to go to the stove and cook it. I have like a medium saucepan. I'm gonna put the heat all the way up to like a medium high, just high enough. And I'm going to place all these berries in there. And I'm just going to let them simmer here until they start boiling. Sean and Noah are allergic to fresh strawberries. If I cook them though, they can eat them. It's the randomest thing. So I have to cook them enough so whatever it is that the strawberry has that makes them break out in hives kind of simmers down. It starts simmering a little bit. Go ahead and mix it around every so often so nothing gets burned in the bottom. Right now I have the heat at about a medium. I'm going to take this and put it in a container and it's going to go in the fridge. I completely forgot about my cheesecake, so it sat there for a little bit longer, but it'll still be good. After the cheesecake has been chilling in the fridge for several hours, I'm topping it off with some whipped cream. You can make your own whipped cream or just use the Cool Whip. Now the best part has arrived. I'm serving out this cheesecake and I'm placing our mixed berry topping right on top, and this cheesecake right here is ready to be enjoyed.
This is so good.
God, this is very good.
You like it?
Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!